Hello everybody, especially to those who are looking for a job. We have a job which is scheduled for interview tomorrow. The interview venue will be in our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. The job description for this is operator, recycling and cleaning. So it's a bed cleaning. So this is one company only with 3 jobs. So if you are willing to apply for this is scheduled for interview tomorrow. April 3, that will be Wednesday. The location for the job is there is in Shinagawa in Tokyo and in Hachioji also. So it has a shifting schedule and the salary starts from 259,200 yen to 324,000 yen, and there will be bonus also. But the job requires at least conversational Japanese, so you must speak Japanese for this position. So if you are willing to apply for this is scheduled for interview tomorrow. Please let us know. You can comment down below, or you can also call our office number at 036206805. Thank you.